Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to cardless cash on ADCB bank account and withdraw. So guys, this first step you need to do to request cardless cash. Login into your ADCB Mobile Banking App and navigate to transfer section as you can see here. After that guys, select cardless cash, withdraw and tap initiate and withdraw, and step 3 file recipient details and select account for withdraw, and step 4 guys, enter your cash withdraw amount, and step 5 your request now active and valid to 24 hours. And if you recipient visit ADCB guys and select cardless cash, this is on ATM guys. Follow the steps. So this is how you can do guys. Just follow the 5 steps and congratulations to withdraw cardless. So thanks for watching guys. See you on another video soon.